Koto ayé dà.
Ẹ wo Koto ìjàgbá.
Koto ayé dà.
Ẹ wo Koto kùnkùn.
Koto ayé dà.
Ẹ wo Koto ìmùlẹ̀. Ìmùlẹ̀ rẹ̀ o, ẹ wo ìmùlẹ̀ ayé. Ìmùlẹ̀ rẹ̀ o, ẹ wo ìmùlẹ̀ lọ́run. Koto ayé rẹ̀ o, Koto ìjàgbá.
Koto ayé o. Koto ayé o. Koto ayé wọ̀run. Wọ́n jọ ṣe pọ̀nà ní. Ẹ̀yin ìyá mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ ńgà. Ẹ̀yin látàpẹ́ jọrí. Àtẹ̀dọ̀jọ́ kan. Àti díjọ̀rọ̀ rọ̀ gàlàǹtà. Ẹ má jọjọ́ ti wá. Ẹ̀yin lọ́gbọ́mọ lọ́mọdù. Ọgbọ́mọ lọ́mọdù sí kàǹkà. Ọgbọ́gbọ́lẹ́lẹ́ lọ́gọ́ta ń payé. Ó dọ̀wọ́ yín. Ẹ má jọjọ́ ti wá. Ẹ má jọ bàjẹ́ dọ̀wọ́ yín. Ẹ jẹ́ kó dára.
Koto ayé rẹ̀ o, Koto ìjàgbá. Ojú o, ojú ẹlẹ́yẹ, ẹyẹ ayé rẹ̀ òṣòro ń ga, ẹyẹ lọ sóde òṣòro mọ́ ga.
Ojú ẹlẹ́yẹ o, ojú ẹlẹ́yẹ o, ojú ẹlẹ́yẹ. Ìbà ìyá mi ò.
Yeah, my people, thank you for watching. It's not easy, oh. It's not easy. The thing where you just watch like 2 minutes times, where you just watch the video, it's not easy, oh. No be so. I spend a lot of time, spend a lot of money before I can achieve this set you are seeing, this set you are watching now, because it's empty room. That place is empty. So I spend a lot of money before I can achieve all these things. It's not easy, oh. If anybody tell you say it's easy, that person they lie. It's not easy. I spend a lot of money. So let me take you to the out. So this is me making up for the video and all that. That is my friend putting all those stuff for my body. So cause you see the test now. So that is the set. That is the people there. So it's not easy, honestly. It's not easy. Just pray that God should bless our work. Because it's not easy at all. So these the people that we are working. This the day as the people sha. So you can see my cast, the way they are doing our this is not easy, honestly, my people. It's not easy, I swear. So this is the boss of the Ajay. So you can see them. This is the boss, and this is another set of people. So I don't even know what to say, but I just want to say it's not easy. So when you see this video, comment, share it so that a lot of people will see it. I don't know if you are already watched this film before, Koto ayé. That time when you small, yes, Koto ayé. They say if you watch that movie, we put clothes for head, so that anybody will not catch us. We will even go to sleep, go and sleep with our mommy. Say something want to catch us. So after I watch the video, Koto ayé. So I want you to watch this one particularly. Because those songs, I don't know it very well, so I want you to watch it now. ayédà. Koto ayédà. Dábàdà díẹ̀. Oko wúwo. Koto ayédà. Koto ayédà. Action. So as you can see that I don't really know the lyrics, the song very well, so I have to pause. Tell my cameraman to pause and pause and play, so that I can get the accurate shot. You understand? So that is what we are doing. You know, it's not easy, my people. It's not easy. So that is just it. I just want to see. I want you all to see the behind the scene before we achieve the video. So we finished in the morning. We started the shooting in the morning. So we end the shooting around we finished around after 12 in the midnight. Yes, I'm telling you. And that place is far. We went. The location is Ibrahim Chata House film. Yeah, after Oyo. If anybody know Oyo very well, so we went to Oyo to go and shoot the video. So my people, trying to catch the lines. So I'm trying to catch the lines. So I don't even know what to say again. I just want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end and comment about this world activity. You are doing well. 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 So your comments and your share will make me do more. Because it's not easy. I spent a lot of money on this project. So your comment here will make me do more. So and I want to, in the comment section, I want to thank Ibrahim Chata for me, because he's the one that allowed me to do this so God bless you for watching this video. God bless you for love. So thank you so much. So I will end this video and end this voice listener so that I can end the video. Oh yeah. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó bá jọ dọwọ́ yẹn kó dára díẹ̀. Dáadáa ó ti ṣe jù ó ti ṣe jù. Action. So my people, when we finish the shoot at the end of the day, so I want to take bath, but there is no time because we finished in the midnight, so I have to come out with this face. So my people, help me to share this video, comment and likes. Thank you for watching. I love you all.